Bay window installation is a popular choice for homeowners in Slidell looking to enhance their home's aesthetic appeal and functionality, and bay windows Slidell continue to be a top upgrade option. With Slidell window installation experts, you can achieve the perfect bay window design Slidell residents love. Affordable bay windows Slidell options are available to suit any budget, ensuring you get the best value for your investment. Energy-efficient windows are essential for reducing energy costs and improving comfort in your home, especially when paired with bay windows Slidell installations. Slidell Custom Window Solutions offer a range of energy-efficient windows Slidell homeowners can choose from. These windows not only help in reducing energy bills but also enhance the overall look of your home. Window glass replacement is a crucial service for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows, including bay windows Slidell installations. Slidell window glass experts provide top-notch window glass replacement services to ensure your windows are in perfect condition. Whether it's a small crack or a complete replacement, Slidell window installation services have you covered. Custom window designs allow you to personalize your home to match your style and preferences, and bay windows Slidell offer excellent customization potential. Slidell window style experts offer a variety of custom window designs that can transform any space. From traditional to modern styles, you can find the perfect design to complement your home. Window frame installation is essential for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows, especially for larger features like bay windows Slidell. Slidell window frame specialists provide expert window frame installation services to ensure your windows remain sturdy and secure. Regular maintenance can prevent costly installations in the future. Double-pane windows are an excellent choice for improving energy efficiency and reducing noise pollution, particularly for bay windows Slidell. Slidell window insulation services offer a range of double-pane windows that provide superior insulation and soundproofing. These windows are a smart investment for any homeowner. Window seal installation is necessary to prevent drafts and improve energy efficiency in bay windows Slidell installations. Slidell window leak solutions include comprehensive window seal installation services to keep your home comfortable and energy efficient. Proper sealing can significantly reduce heating and cooling costs. Window hardware upgrades can enhance the functionality and security of your windows, including bay windows Slidell. Slidell window security upgrades offer a variety of window hardware options to improve the safety and usability of your windows. Upgrading your window hardware is a simple way to enhance your home's security. Window insulation services are crucial for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment, especially for homes with bay windows Slidell. Slidell window insulation services provide expert solutions to improve your home's energy efficiency. Proper insulation can help maintain a consistent temperature and reduce energy costs. Window sash replacement is necessary for windows that are difficult to open or close, including older bay windows Slidell systems. Slidell window sash installation services offer professional window sash replacement to ensure your windows operate smoothly. Replacing worn-out sashes can improve the functionality and appearance of your windows. Window caulking services are essential for preventing drafts and moisture intrusion around bay windows Slidell. Window caulking Slidell experts provide thorough window caulking services to seal any gaps and improve energy efficiency. Proper caulking can extend the life of your windows and reduce energy costs. For those seeking top-notch window glass replacement in Slidell, our Slidell window glass experts deliver outstanding results for bay windows Slidell and more. Whether you need double-pane windows or energy-efficient windows, our Slidell window installation experts ensure your home is equipped with the best. Our window contractor services in Slidell, LA include window frame installation and window sash replacement to keep your windows in pristine condition. If you're considering bay window installation in Slidell, our affordable bay windows Slidell services are the perfect solution. Our Slidell custom window solutions cover everything from custom window designs to window style consultation. With our bay window design Slidell, you can enhance your home's aesthetic appeal while enjoying energy-efficient windows Slidell. Our window insulation services in Slidell are designed to improve your home's energy efficiency, especially for bay windows Slidell. We offer window caulking services and window weatherproofing to ensure your windows are sealed against the elements. Our Slidell window insulation services also include window seal installation and window leak solutions to reduce drafts and energy costs. For homeowners needing window maintenance, our Slidell window maintenance team provides comprehensive care for bay windows Slidell, including window cleaning services and window hardware upgrades. Our window cleaning Slidell LA services keep your windows spotless, while our window security features enhance safety. Trust our Slidell window installation services for complete maintenance solutions. Our window screen installation and window tinting services in Slidell add comfort and protection to homes with bay windows Slidell. With window screen services Slidell, you can enjoy fresh air without pests. Our Slidell window tinting options reduce glare and improve privacy, while window glazing options and window trim replacement complete your upgrade. When it comes to window replacement Slidell LA, our Slidell window frame specialists are trusted experts for bay windows Slidell. We provide a window installation warranty and competitive window replacement cost estimates. Our Slidell window sash installation and window trim services ensure your windows are functional and stylish. For expert window style consultation, our Slidell window style experts help homeowners select the best designs for bay windows Slidell. We offer a wide range of window glazing Slidell options to match your preferences. Our Slidell window security upgrades add protection, while window measurement services ensure a perfect fit. Choose our Slidell window weatherproofing services to protect bay windows Slidell from harsh weather. Our window caulking Slidell and window seal installation services keep your windows airtight. With professional window sash installation and window frame installation, your windows will remain durable and attractive for years. Our Slidell window glass experts are committed to delivering top-tier window solutions.